While the vast majority of the digital currencies zeroed in on blockchain and DeFi, they concentrated on information capacity, taking care of, and exchange. There were not really any players in the cryptographic money market who turned their regard for advanced publicizing or video organizing, that is picking up speed and the issues related therewith. Allow us to examine the ongoing subtleties of THETA and comprehend the THETA cost expectation for what's in store. However, numerous monetary forms have attacked the much sought-after cryptographic money market. The most discussed and high-positioned is THETA. Fellow benefactor Steve Chen and his devoted company of specialists, researchers, and calculation and blockchain specialists, who rejuvenated this THETA crypto token, upheld him. THETA is a symbolic that controls THETA's decentralized video conveyance organization, fueled by clients and an imaginative new blockchain. THETA is an open-source convention reason work to drive the decentralized streaming organization and takes into consideration vertical decentralized applications, dApps, to be based on top of the stage to empower experts, music, television, films, instruction, endeavor conferencing, distributed streaming, and the sky is the limit from there. To lay it out plainly in the expressions of the prime supporter of YouTube, Mr. Steve Chen, I'm enthusiastic and delighted to be a significant job player in the arising scene of video real-time. Since innovation has begun being the predominant figure, the decentralized distributed network THETA will saddle its majority. With the dramatic development in the computerized promoting area, it is colossally significant that there is a harmony accomplished among sponsors, distributors, and end clients. With the majority turning out to be increasingly more knowledgeable with long-range informal communication and video devices related with it, there is a prospering interest for promotion, impeding programming that sudden spikes in demand for in excess of 600 million cell phones and PCs. With truckload of cash and time spent on watchers' very own information, it has turned into a mammoth undertaking to synchronize the whole system's administration usefulness and prune the superfluous. The accompanying elements still need to be dissected on a worldview premise. Publicists pay tokens to distributors to carry their promotions to clients. Clients procure THETA for survey advertisements. Consideration is checked in the Valiant program utilizing ML/AI innovation. Individual information generally stays on gadgets and isn't utilized for individual addition. Publicists get great returns because of expanded degrees of exactness. The value journey of THETA has been created with minor cost changes. In 2018, it had quite recently begun its excursion with a cost of around $0.2, and from that point forward, there has been no thinking back till 2020. THETA cost expectation really somersaulted somewhat recently, changing the pattern from the very start to the furthest limit of the year. THETA has had a memorable excursion all through. All said and done, THETA's pattern has been very forceful, prompting a promising way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for coalitions. In view of 1 year of verifiable information, THETA cost cruised well over the past year, and presently it is on a vertical flood. In light of our conjectures, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost anticipation for 2024 is $0.07044. With a 5-year venture, your ongoing speculation might be degraded, consequently THETA can be a terrible, high-risk 1-year venture choice. THETA sounds exceptionally bullish as it has shown a dependable consistency. By 2023 end, the cost ought to effortlessly swing around $1.69372. THETA cost could reach $2.762 in 2023, and by 2025, going up to $7.475. At the hour of compassing this THETA cost expectation, the ongoing cost of THETA is $1.09, and information demonstrates that the resource cost has been in an upswing for the beyond 1 year. The exchanging volume has been $34,581,343, with a market cap of $1,094,595,488 and a flowing inventory of 1 billion THETA. The cost gauge thinks about a few factors, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparable coins. THETA value expectation 2023. Going by the insight about more limited and longer value patterns of the crypto estimate, almost certainly, the finish of 2023 may not be completely ideal for THETA coin for acceleration, particularly with rivals finding the intensity or the market reflecting gigantic instability. In any case, toward the finish of 2023, THETA will reach $2.3. According to our drawn-out digital money estimate THETA value forecast 2024, expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist on the lookout and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by expected that THETA will lead the crypto coin realm, with an exhibition cost fixed at $4.2, which shows THETA has maximum capacity going by the example, not exclusively to maintain however, could reliably fill even in unfriendly circumstances. THETA value expectation 2025. This year could stamp the benchmark year, as the cost of the THETA coin is anticipated to outperform a normal of $4 definitely. This year, no critical elements like pandemics or downturns are supposed to shake the foundations of world economies. It is normal that a large portion of the harm done would be headed for fix work in every world economy and the crypto market. THETA value forecast 2026. It isn't not exactly remarkable information. What started with costs of $1 finished with an increase of $5.5. And at present exchanging around $1.08. Consequently, it has radically supported the market opinion peculiarity to trade. Dealers and financial backers have begun wagering on the drawn-out cost of THETA, following this token intently for a venture. THETA value expectation 2027. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the long haul instead of the present moment. With a touch of persistence and keeping their expectations high on the long haul, financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2026, as the reception of THETA will develop dramatically, by when THETA will be not any more a gullible participant in the realm of digital currencies, yet a carefully prepared player. The coin may effortlessly reach $6.84 toward the finish of 2027. THETA value forecast 2028. Keeping up pair with a similar bullish pattern, there are expectations that THETA is ready for a rise sign even in the following year. Following the moving example against United States dollars, particularly the manner in which it is exchanging inside the bounds of an even triangle, the THETA coin could run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern lines, contacting $7.95. THETA value forecast 2029. In view of a coherent calculation, THETA has transient conventions and possible long-haul benefits. The THETA cost might arrive at the objective of $8.90. Toward the finish of 2029, financial backers might procure extraordinary benefits in the event that they contribute with impeccable timing. THETA value expectation 2030. In 2030, the THETA coin is supposed to exchange somewhere in the range of $10.50 and $11.50, where the previous is the least cost, and the last option is the most exorbitant cost. Simultaneously, the typical cost is supposed to be around $11 in light of our THETA organization cost forecast. Does THETA have a future? THETA is one digital money that will have a brilliant future. Riding the crypto wave, it will control the computerized realm. Thus for of installment, it would have a long role. Is THETA a wise venture? A reasonable level of investment is dependably fitting, being a critical component here. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any misrepresented assumptions required on the off chance that you trade nicely, facing a calculative challenge. Is THETA a trick or genuine? Regardless of all discussions and debates, THETA uncovers an extremely solid and dynamic environment. In this way, it is a genuine stage. Where could I at any point purchase THETA? At the present time, you can purchase THETA at major crypto trades, including Binance. When you have your